In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default save location in PowerPoint. Whether you frequently create presentations or have specific folders where you like to keep all your work organized, setting a default save location can save you time and streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process. First, head over to your Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and from there, launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint is open, you're faced with a couple of options. You can either open an existing presentation or start fresh by creating a new one. Whichever you choose, you can go ahead and add your essential content like photos, tables, and other elements needed for your presentation. Though this step isn't directly tied to setting your save location, having a presentation ready helps demonstrate the process more effectively. With our presentation open, let's move on to the File tab, which is typically located in the upper left corner of PowerPoint. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, find and select the Options item, which should be on the left side. This will open up the PowerPoint Options dialog box. Here in the PowerPoint Options window, you'll notice a list of categories on the left side. Look for the Save category and click on it. Now, we're focusing on the section concerning the Save settings of PowerPoint. These settings determine not just the locations where your files are automatically saved, but also file formats and other critical save properties. Now, this is where the magic happens. You need to specify your desired folder. To do this, go to your File Explorer outside of PowerPoint, navigate through your directories, and find the exact folder where you'd like all your PowerPoint files to be saved by default. Once you've located the folder, simply copy the path. This means right-clicking on the folder path at the top of File Explorer and selecting Copy Address as text. Return to the PowerPoint Options dialog in PowerPoint and locate the field labeled Default File Location. Now, right beside this label, paste the file path you copied earlier. By doing this, you're instructing PowerPoint to automatically save all future presentations to this specified folder unless you manually choose otherwise. Once the path is pasted, make sure to confirm your changes by clicking OK at the bottom of the window. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your default save location in PowerPoint. Now, every time you save a new presentation, it will automatically be directed to your chosen folder, keeping your projects neat, organized, and at your fingertips. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps make your PowerPoint experience more efficient and stress-free.